Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The next chapter is financial planning. Let us see some important points related to it. First one is GST. GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. CGST and SGST are the two components of GST. CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax. This is to be paid to the central governments. SGST, State Goods and Service Tax. This is to be paid to the state government. Now the next point is GSTIN, Goods and Service Tax Identification Number. It is dealer's identification number. It has 15 alpha numerals. Now the next one is PAN, Permanent Account Number. It has 10 alpha numerals. Now the next one, HSN, Harmonized System of Nomenclature. All goods are classified by giving numerical code, that is HSN code. Now look at this. It is one of the sample. Now here supplier's name A to Z sweet mark. Look at here GSTIN, identification number having 15 alpha numerals. Now 27, it is indicate for Maharashtra state, and the next 10 digit numbers is PAN number of the supplier. Now HSN code. Look at this code 210-690-210-691 and so on. It is HSN code. Now SAC, Service Accounting Code. Services are also classified by giving special code number, that is SAC code. Now look at this here. Tax invoice of services provided. It is one of the sample. SAC code 9961, 9963, 9962. It is code for the food items coffee, masala tea and masala dosa and so on. Now the value of goods on which GST is levied is called taxable value. The rate of CGST is equal to the rate of SGST. Now look at this. Now the first product is Pede. Rate is 400 per kg, quantity 500 gram, taxable amount is 200. Now CGST, SGST. Now the rate of CGST 2.5. Now look at here. The rate of SGST is also 2.5. Now look at other items. 14. Here also 14%, 9%, 9%, 0%, 0%, 6% and 6%. Now in the taxable amount 200. Now the CGST 2.5 means 5 rupees and SGST 2.5% means 5 rupees. Now add these three, 200 plus 5 plus 5, we get here 210. Therefore the total amount is 210 rupees and so on. Now CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST. GST is equal to SGST plus CGST, and next one is the amount of GST is calculated by, which is equal to the rate of GST into taxable amount. Now look at practice set 4.1. First question is Pawan Medical Supplies medicines. On some medicines the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? Write down the solution here. Now the rate of GST is given. Write down. The rate of GST is 12%. Therefore Our aim is to find the rate of CGST and SGST. We know that the rate of CGST is equal to the rate of SGST. It is equal to half of rate of GST. Therefore, half into the rate of GST is 12%. Now 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. We get here 6%. Therefore, write down the answer here. The rate of CGST is equal to 6% and the rate of SGST is also 6%. Now the next question is, on certain article, if the rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST? What is the rate of GST? Now write down the solution here. Rate of CGST is given. Write down here. The rate of CGST is 9%. Now what is the rate of SGST? Now we know that both rates are equal. Therefore, the rate of SGST is equal to the rate of CGST, which is also equal to 9%. What is the rate of GST? Therefore, the rate of GST the rate of CGST 9% plus the rate of SGST 9%, we get here 18%. Therefore, write down the answer. The rate of SGST is 9% and GST is 18%. Now the next question is, Mrs. Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. Now, what is given here? Rate of 1 tin of luster paint. Is equal to rupees 2,800. Therefore, rate of 2 tins of luster paint is equal to 2 into 2800. Now solve 200. 200, 2 8s are 16, 6 carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Now we get here rupees 5,600. Therefore, it is the taxable amount. Write down here, taxable amount is equal to rupees 5,600. Now the rate of GST is given, therefore rate of GST is given, which is equal to 28%. Therefore our aim is to find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. Therefore the rate of CGST is equal to the rate of SGST. We know that both are equal to half of rate of GST. Which is equal to half of 28%. Solid we get 40%. Therefore our aim is to find the amount of CGST. Therefore write down here the amount of CGST is equal to rate of CGST into taxable amount. The rate of CGST is 14%, therefore we can write here 14 upon 100 into, now the taxable amount is 5,600, 0, 0, 0, 0 both are cancelled. Now 14 into 56, solid 14 6 are 84, 4 carry 8. Now 14 5 are 70. 70 plus 8 we get 78. Now we get here rupees 784. It is the amount of CGST. We know that the amount of SGST is equal to CGST. Therefore write down here the amount of SGST is also equal to the amount of CGST, which is equal to rupees 784. Therefore write down the answer here. The amount of CGST is rupees 784 and the amount of SGST is also rupees 784. Now the next question is, the taxable value of a wristwatch belt is rupees 586. The rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? Write down the solution here. The taxable value of wristwatch belt is given. Write down here. The taxable value of wristwatch belt is equal to rupees 586 and the rate of GST is given and the rate of GST is 18%. Therefore GST is equal to rate of GST multiplied by taxable value. Rate of GST 18%, therefore 18 upon 100 into taxable value is given here 586. Now solve it. Multiply 586 by 18. Now 18 6 are 108. 8 carry 10. 18 8 are 144. Therefore 144 plus 10 we get 154. 4 carry 15. Now 18 5s are 90. 90 plus 15 we get 105 divided by 100. Now solve it. We get here 105.48. It is the amount of GST. Therefore price of belt for the customer. The price of belt for the customer is equal to taxable value plus GST. Now look at here. Taxable value is given 586 plus GST 105.48. Now add these two numbers 0.48. 5 plus 6 11 1 carry 1. 8 plus 1 9. 5 plus 1 6. 691.48. Therefore write down the answer here. The price of the belt for the customer is rupees 691.48. Now next question is the total value with GST of a remote controlled toy car is rupees 1770. The rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find the taxable value, CGST and SGST for this toy car. Solution. Now what is given in the problem? The total value with GST of a toy car is equal to rupees 1770 and the rate of GST is given. Write down here. And the rate of GST which is equal to 18%. Our aim is to find the taxable value. Therefore, let us consider the taxable value of toy car is rupees X. Now find amount of GST which is equal to rate of GST into taxable value. Therefore rate of GST is 18%, 18 upon 100 into, now the taxable value is X. Cancel it. 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 0. We get here 9x upon 50. It is the value of GST. Therefore, the total value with GST is equal to taxable value plus GST. Now substituting all the values here, the total value with GST it is given 1770 is equal to taxable value, consider here x, plus now the GST is calculated, which is equal to 9x upon 50. Now here denominator contains 50, therefore multiplying both sides by 50, we get here 50 into 1770 is equal to 50x plus, now 50 cancel, 9x, solid. 50 into 1770 is equal to 50x plus 9x, 59x. Now dividing both sides by 59, we get x is equal to 50 into 1770 upon 59. Now look at here, unit place is 9, here 7, 9, table of 9, 9 1s are 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Therefore simply multiply 59 by 3, 3 9s are 27, 7 carry 2, 3 5s are 15 plus 2 177, therefore cancel it by 3, 3 and 0. Therefore the value of x is equal to 50 into 30. Therefore x is equal to 0 0 5 3s are 50. It is the taxable value of toy car. Therefore the taxable value of toy car is rupees 1500. Now our aim is to find CGST and SGST for this toy car. Now the total value with GST is equal to, we know that the total value with GST is equal to taxable value plus GST. Now the total value with GST is given, which is equal to 1770 is equal to, now the taxable value is calculated here 1500 plus GST. Therefore GST is equal to 1770 minus 1500, which is equal to 270. Now it is the amount of GST. Therefore CGST, the amount of CGST is equal to the amount of SGST. Both are equal, which is equal to half of GST. Therefore half into the value of GST is 270. Solid, cancel, 2 1s are 2 3, 2 5s are, now we get here 135. Therefore write down the answer here. The taxable value is rupees 1500 and CGST is rupees 135 and SGST is also rupees 135. Next question is, Tip-Top Electronics supplied AC of 1.5 ton to a company. The cost of AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. The rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amounts as shown in tax invoice of Tip-Top Electronics. Now the first amount is rate of SGST, second one is rate of GST, third one is taxable value of AC, next total amount of GST, amount of CGST, and last one is amount of SGST. Now write down the solution here. Now what is given in the problem? The cost of AC, write down here, the cost of AC with GST is equal to rupees 51,200 and the rate of CGST is given, write down here, and the rate of CGST which is equal to 14%. Now the first amount is rate of SGST, therefore we know that rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST. Therefore rate of SGST is also equal to 14%. Now the second, rate of GST, we know that rate of GST is equal to rate of SGST means 14% plus rate of CGST 14%. Adding these two we get 28%. It is the rate of GST. Now the third one, taxable amount of AC. Let the taxable amount of AC is rupees X. Now find out GST. Therefore GST is equal to rate of GST. Now rate of GST is 28% into taxable amount. Taxable amount is X. Now solve it. 2 5s are 0, 2 1s are 4. Now 2 2s are and 5 2 7s are. Now we get here GST rupees 7x upon 25. Therefore now the value of the cost of AC with GST is equal to taxable value plus GST. Now substituting all the values, the cost of AC with GST is given in the problem, which is equal to 51,200 is equal to taxable amount, consider here X, plus now GST is calculated, which is equal to 7x upon 25. Now the equation contains 25 as denominator, therefore multiplying both sides by 25. Write down here multiplying by 25. We get here 25 into 51200 is equal to 25x plus, now 25 cancel, 7x, remaining one is 25 into 51,200, 25 plus 7, 32x. Now dividing by 32 we get x is equal to 25 into 51,200 divided by 32. Now cancel it. 16 2s are 16 3s are 48. 16 2s are 0 0. Now cancel 2. 2 1s are 2 6 are 12 0 0. Therefore we get the value of x is equal to 25 into 16 Therefore x is equal to 2500. 25 6 are 150, 0 carry 15, 25 1 25 plus 15 we get 40. Therefore taxable amount of AC is 40,000. Fourth one, find the value of total amount of GST. We know that the cost of AC with GST is equal to taxable value plus GST. Now the cost of AC with GST is given 51,200 is equal to taxable value calculated here, which is equal to 40,000 plus GST. Now therefore GST is equal to 51,200 minus 40,000, which is equal to 11,200. It is the value of GST, amount of GST. Now next one is amount of CGST. We know that amount of CGST is equal to half of GST. Therefore half into, now the amount of GST is 11,200. Now cancel it, 2 5s are 2 6 are 0 0. Now we get here rupees 5,600. Now the next one is amount of SGST. Amount of SGST. Now we know that amount of SGST is equal to amount of CGST. Write down here amount of CGST. Therefore amount of SGST is also equal to rupees 5,600. Now write down the answer here. First, rate of SGST is equal to 14%. Now the second one is rate of GST is equal to 28%. Now the next, third one is taxable value of AC. Is equal to rupees 40,000. Next, total amount of GST. Rupees 11,200. Next, amount of CGST. Is equal to rupees 5,600, and the last one is amount of SGST, which is equal to rupees 5,600. Now the next question is, Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. The rate of GST charged was 28%. Find the purchase price of the washing machine. Also find the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. Write down the solution. Now look at the problem. What is given here? The printed price of washing machine. Write down here. The printed price of washing machine is equal to rupees 40,000 and discount is 5%. First find out the value of discount. Discount is equal to rate of discount 5 upon 100 into on 40,000. 20 cancel, 50 5 4s are 20. Now we get here rupees 2000. It is discount. Therefore, the actual selling price of washing machine is equal to, now the printed price is 40,000 minus discount 2,000. Now we get here 38,000. Therefore, is the taxable amount. Write down here. Therefore, the taxable amount is rupees 38,000. Now the rate of GST is given. Therefore, write down here the rate of GST is 28%. Therefore, find out the value of GST. Now GST is equal to the rate of GST into taxable value or taxable amount. Therefore, the rate of GST is 28%. 28 upon 100 into, now the taxable value is 38,000. 20 cancel. Now we get here 28 into 380. Now 0 product content. Now multiply 38 and 28. 8 8s are 64. 4 carry 6. 8 3s are 24 plus 6 30. 2 8s are 16. 6 carry 1. 2 3s are 6 and 7. Now add these two numbers. We get 4, 6 and 10. 10 and 64. It is the value of GST, which is equal to 10,640. Therefore, purchase price of washing machine is equal to taxable value. Now the taxable value is rupees 38,000 plus GST. GST is rupees 10,640. Now add these two numbers. 0, 4, 6, 8, 4. Now we get here 48,640. Therefore, Now the next one is also find the amount of CGST and SGST. Therefore we know that the amount of CGST is equal to the amount of SGST. Both are equal to half of GST. Now substituting the values, we get half into, now the GST is 10,640. Cancel it. 2 5s are 2 3s are 2 2s are and 4. Now we get here rupees 5,320. It is the amount of CGST SGST. Therefore write down the answer here. The purchase price of washing machine rupees 48,640 and CGST is rupees 5,320 and SGST is also rupees 5,320. Allah Hafiz.